Hey guys, it's Anthony again. Today I'm going to be taking you through a little bit of what I'm eating for this phase where I'm getting ready to lead into an actual prep. I'm just going to be showing you what my diet looks like for a typical day, and then I'm also going to be performing a arm workout off the C-Bump Fitness app. As far as the diet goes, I'm going to be showing you guys my breakfast, which is just going to consist of 3 egg whites and 3 whole eggs, and then half a cup of oats. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. So I will see you in the kitchen. Alright guys, so this is what I'm going to be eating. I like these Vital pasture raised eggs. I feel like if you put a little bit of money into the eggs you're eating, you're getting a healthier product. That's probably just my personal opinion. Who knows? I'm not quite sure, but I believe that if they're a little bit more expensive, they're the brown eggs, they have a darker yolk, then yes, they're healthier. They have a lot more omegas stored inside of them, so I look at it as just a healthier option. And if you're bodybuilding, you should be going for some of the healthier options, not just everything cheap all the time. I mean, cheap is okay, but gotta remember we are what we put in our bodies. So yes, like if you're on a budget and you're bodybuilding, then yes, the cheapest you can go for everything, as long as you're hitting those protein markers, those carbohydrate intake markers, then yes, I believe I'm all for that, because I was there too. But if you do have a little bit of extra money on hand and you feel like buying those more expensive eggs, then I just kind of recommend that. And then as well, I'm going to be adding these liquid egg whites. Got these at Sam's Club. Pretty good price for 6 of these. I think it was around $4. And then just of course your 0-calorie spray, whatever spray that you choose to use. And then I season it with this garlic parmesan seasoning that I found at Kroger. This is amazing right here. This stuff will enhance the flavor of your food by 10 times. You hate eggs, you're gonna love them. And then of course just a little bit of salt, because this lacks sodium, and I like to have a decent amount of sodium in my diet. Helps with pumps. Just all around, sodium is good for you. It's not bad for you, so don't listen to the people who are telling you that it's bad. Unless you're eating tons and tons of sodium, or your coach's advice is not to have high sodium intake at that time. But yeah, get your sodium in. Alright you guys, so this is what we're working with. This is the 3 egg whites, 3 whole eggs. Here is the oats all finished. And then I'm going to be adding some of this no sugar added ketchup. I'm also going to be eating a couple strawberries. And then also, you know, hydrated. Make sure to stay hydrated. So this is going to be my first meal of the day. I'm going to put the macros in the left hand corner so that you guys can check it out. And let's grub down. Alright guys, so you already know today's pre-workout is going to be some freaking gorilla mode. We're going to be going ahead and using the Bombsicle flavor. I've used it in previous videos. Awesome pre-workout, amazing supplements, check them out. I'm gonna be taking that as my pre today, and then I will be taking you guys through some more meals as we go. Alright you guys, so like I promised, here's my second meal. This is going to be 6 ounces of chicken breast, as well as 5 ounces of zucchini and 1 whole cup of rice. So, yep, just put this chicken in the air fryer, so now it's ready to go. I'm also going to be adding some of this sugar-free G-Hues. Not a ton of it, but that is my meal, second meal of the day. Third meal is going to look a little similar, but I'm still just going to show it to you guys for the purpose of the video. I'll put the macros down in the left-hand corner, and we will see you at the next meal. Alright guys, it's time for meal 3, and as you might have guessed, chicken and rice. So like I said, it was going to be similar to meal 2, except I didn't add the zucchinis in this meal. And then as well, I'm going to be adding this sugar-free G-Hues. This is the sweet and spicy flavor. Earlier I used the honey. So these are awesome, especially if you're trying to cut weight. These are just really good to have. Condiments that are sugar-free are going to help you stay in that deficit. It's not good to add a bunch of sugary condiments in your diet. So I'm going to eat this meal, and I will show you guys what is going to be on the menu for meal 4 coming up. Alright guys, so my fourth meal was just another 6 ounces of chicken breast. I had a cup of white rice, and I had 5 ounces of zucchini once again. So for my final meal of the day, I'm just going to be having 2 scoops of whey isolate, and that is just how I'm going to finish off my full day of eating. I'm eating way less calories right now, but I'm feeling good and I'm losing weight at a really good pace. So thank you guys for tuning in with me today, and I'll see you in the next one.